So I was walking with my family earlier in the woods in front of me, just here, and we're walking our dog and just having a little family walk. And I thought, oh, screw it, I just want to lift some logs up and see what I can see. And last year there was a few Myrmica walking around the trail, and I thought, there's got to be a few colonies in this wood then. There it is again. So I just thought I'd take a solo adventure in my brand new shoes to look for some Myrmica, locate some queens, locate some brood. There's some logs here. These aren't the logs I lifted, but might be able to find some stuff. I mean, I say these are my new shoes. They're about 2 weeks old now. Some more sticks over there. I look like a complete weirdo, I know I do. But I'm not too bothered. There's so many like worms, and saw some cool wood lice earlier, which I'm going to try and get a video of again. Just searching for anything that... I've got a wood lice down there. Some spiders and stuff through there. Just nice to stop a minute and just... Oh, there's a frog. Look at that, there's a frog. Oh yeah. Cool looking frog, isn't it? Hey little guy. Oh, pretty cool. There might be a toad actually. Maybe not a frog, a baby toad. Must have come from over here. It is quite nice just to come and sit. There's a bird box there. Sorry, I was just walking around everywhere. It is nice to sit and just appreciate nature once in a while. The reason I'm doing this is because I saw Jake do a bit of an ant-in video, and although I haven't got many species of ant where I'm at, I still try to like compete with Jake for a decent video. So under this stick in front of me, the rubra colony's over there, underneath there, but I feel like I could lift this. So we're going to do that now. Grab a good... I'm going to zoom out for a little bit. 3, 2, 1. Fuck it out. Let's have a look. Millipedes. Spiders. There's a whole hole right there. Let's try and... Look at that spider web right there. I'm not seeing a lot. I will put it back, don't worry. Yeah, no, there's nothing under here. A few bits of movement. Let's put it back. Sorry, everyone. Yeah, let's go. So this is a rubra colony underneath this log. Now, they were here last year. But there they are. That's where the rubra are. Now, earlier, they had a bunch of brood out. Like, it was just white with rubra workers, and I want to say I saw a couple of queens, but possibly could have been just well-fed workers. I'm still new to the pointing out queens from workers when it comes to rubras. Let's go away from the dog walkers. Yeah, we'll go away from the dog walkers. We'll go back to where I saw that toad. So that was pretty cool. Now, the reason I think it's a toad is because a frog goes through stages, and I believe a toad. I could be completely wrong. Actually, was that a frog or a toad, people? So we've got this here. Anything cool under here? Bloody hell. I'm not gonna lift that. That feels like it's in there. Well, I feel like that's it for this ant and adventure today. I feel somewhat glad that I found Myrmicaruba right under there, and a bunch of crazy stuff under there. But a lot of like rotten wood everywhere, so this is like prime location for springtails and like wood lice and stuff like that, because if I ever need them, I just need to come here. I will say there was a really freaky orange and black wood louse I saw this way, so we're going to try and get over there. It's under here. Oh wow, look at this. What can we see? What can we see? Lots of wood lice, some worms. That's about it. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Where was it that I saw that awesome wood lice? It was over here. Something over there I want to take up as well. So yeah, look how freaky this looks. Alright, so try and lift it up a little bit. Now under here, there's a weird looking wood louse. When I can't see it, no, there it is. Let me get a zoom in on that, hold on. Let's just take a scan of this area. I feel like that was it. It's like a weird orange and black wood louse. There's another one up there, pretty cool. I swear I've seen one a lot more orange than that there. This looks like it's home to something. I don't know how the best way to move this around is. Oh wow, look at that. Some sort of spider. Look at the wood lice. Oh, that's spider webs, right? Ooh. Try and like hold it somehow. Look at all them wood lice. Can I get a zoom out? Hold on. There we go. Ooh. It's freaky stuff. It's a brick? What's underneath a brick? Okay, there's a spider down there. Got some babies on it. Pretty cool to see that. Surprising what you see when you're out. Just having a look nose. You've got some goodies under you, haven't you? And that one. Yeah, let's just analyse before we lift. What we got? What can I see? Spider webs, definitely. Move this bramble that way. Can I lift it? Oh yes, I can. Hello? I'm not seeing too much. No. Do this for a second and see what. Got a hole here. A few slugs. Look at that beautiful nesting area for like a mouse or something. But oh, look at this! I think that's a tiger slug. These are really cool slugs. They eat other slugs. Touch it first, make sure I know what it is. Yeah, this is some sort of tiger slug. Really, really good to have in your garden, by the way, this. Really good to have in your garden because they eat other slugs. They don't eat plants. They don't care about plants. They just eat other slugs. It's awesome. You get a zoom out on this, look at this. Awesome to see though, really awesome to see. Now, like I said, I always put stuff back because, you know, that's how they found it, that's how I found it. Although I do obviously like rip spider webs and stuff like that when I'm lifting, but spiders are used to that. I don't feel too bad about that. It's all the wood lice, you know, the wood lice can just move about. So I don't feel too bad about any of that. As if it was like a snake or something, I'd feel bad. But because of where I'm at, we got like a homes right there. This is kind of like lucky to be here. Due to like the property planning and stuff like that. So this is like a little reserve. And I like keeping tabs on it. I like seeing what's around. I'm Billy. This has been a little ant walk. Little nature walk. Thank you guys. Please subscribe. Bye bye.